Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'm going to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in, taking me to a total down the right-hand side here of $253.35. And more importantly in this video, I want to show you how this product is called Megalink, and it's just one link where you can promote and earn up to 7 income streams. And this gentleman down here is the owner and creator of OLSP System and Megalink, Wayne Crowe, and he's done a short 10-minute overview video. If you want access to this video and come and meet Wayne, link in the description will give you access, and he'll tell you in this video here all about why he created the Megalink and how he's helping even brand new people now become successful and making their first dollar online. So that's a great review video there for you to watch. Let me just show you some proof here of the commissions. So I'll go into commissions here. I want to show you that there are multiple income streams, some proof of the multiple income streams by promoting the Megalink. So what I'll do is I'll just go back to the early days. So I started on December the 6th. The Megalink, this one here, is a 100% commission of $7. You'll also see a couple of Mega Messenger products in here, one here and one here. So this is another income stream. This is a $10.80 commission. And then if we go back to this page, next page, you'll see another income stream called list building and magic link. So there's still some mega links on here, $7, and there's three list building and magic links, and that's also a $7 commission. And then you'll see the balances over here. So there is another one that you can earn smaller commissions by commenting on Facebook posts, and they're 25 cents per comment. So you see the balance here now is $253. So that's just some proof there that you can earn multiple income streams by promoting one link. And if we go back into the dashboard, I want to show you something that's really important. I'm going to show you exactly how this system works step by step. But first of all, I want to show you, because Wayne Crowe, really, the reason behind the success of OLSP System is not just the products, but it's really the training and the support. And that's really where Wayne excels. Trainings here inside of the system itself, and also the live weekly trainings that Wayne does himself personally with question and answer and replays, etc. So when you join, I recommend you watch these two videos here first, free. And this is how Wayne made 10 million in commissions and how he set this system up to help everyone become successful at making money online. And this one here, the 100 commission hack. So you just click on there to access those products, those trainings. Two superb trainings there. So what I'll show you now is how simple. So this is very beginner friendly. If you're brand new and you haven't made your first dollar online yet, I want to show you how simple, nothing hard, nothing technical, how simple and easy, and really the success behind the Megalink. So this is the Megalink training. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 6 videos here that Wayne's done himself. Now, what's important here, there's lots of boxes on here. Don't get overwhelmed, because all you've got to do, you'll see Wayne's drawn a line down here. And this is a really important line, because we want to show you that everything to the left of the line is all that you're concerned with. That's all you've got to worry about, nothing else. Everything else everything else over here to the right of the line, everything else over here is a complete 100% done for you system. And it really is done for you, and I'll explain why. Now, so you get your Megalink. This is in the top right hand corner here, you'll see Megalink. And all you do is you just copy and paste that link. And then what Wayne's going to do, you've only got to do one thing on this left hand side of the line. You've got to do one thing. And all that you got to do is just generate traffic. He calls it people and traffic. So he's going to train you. He's going to train you on how to, over here is training. He's going to train you on how to generate traffic to your Megalink. And your Megalink is just a done for you lead capture page. You're just going to promote this page here. So you don't have to create any lead capture pages, splash pages, websites. You don't have to create any autoresponder follow-ups. So your prospects puts their email into there, and that's really where the magic starts to happen over here. So once your prospects put their email address in, they get taken into this 100% done for you system that Wayne has set up. And what happens is they then go on to an email list, your email list, because then what Wayne and his team do, they then send out emails for you. They will send out, and this is on autopilot. So if you're at work or you're asleep or you're with family and friends, this happens automatically. And if anybody buys, then they become a customer for life, and it will continue to send emails out for you. So within these emails here will be your affiliate link. So Wayne is AL affiliate link. Wayne is promoting offers for you. He's promoting your affiliate link. And all of this is for the price of $7. So no monthly membership costs, no autoresponder monthly payments, all for the price of $7. And then what happens is within those emails, he promotes low ticket offers. He promotes medium ticket offers. He promotes monthly recurring payment offers, so you can earn monthly recurring commissions. And he also promotes high ticket offers. And all of these offers are his own products that he's created. So all you've got to do is one thing, and that's learn traffic. And he will even teach you how to generate traffic. And whichever affiliate marketing program offer you join, you always have to learn traffic. So that's how affiliate marketing works. And it gets even better than that because he also prides himself here on this Facebook group. So I forgot to put a commission there at the end. So your commissions come out here. You earn commissions through this system. Commissions. That's you earning your commissions. So the Facebook group is where Wayne has built a community of people helping people. He calls it Helpenomics. And so you're going to get all the support that you need. So you're not going to be on your own. 142,000 members. Wayne himself is very active within the group. And you've got new people making the first dollar online, new people getting into profit. You've got intermediate and advanced affiliate marketers. So this is a combination. This system is a combination of everything. It's a combination of the products, the training, and the support. So I'd like to make an income disclaimer because I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. Just showing you what works for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and also promote it as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP System, put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So the link in the description will take you to this video here. Come and meet Wayne Crowe, creator and owner of the OLSP System. He's doing some fantastic work in helping people make money online. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.